Yes, that was the day when I got my visa approved, January 6th, 2022. My friends came for my birthday celebration, and then January 14, 2022, departure from Islamabad International Airport. Damn, that was Qatar International Airport. I had my layover over there, Hamad International Airport, and that was like 15 hours long flight. And finally, I've arrived in St. Louis. That was my first winter ever in America, and the end of first semester. And guess what? I got all A's. And that was my first tour to Gateway Arch. And yes, most importantly, Bahria University, my old school. I was there like proud alumni. And that was my first summer. I started working at Taylor Geospatial Institute. I was a drone pilot and ground truth data collector. So great memories, but tough field work in hot weather. So yeah, that was all. And at the end of summer, and then the new beginning. Second semester, really tough work. I started working at aircraft lab, and to be very honest, sometimes I worked like more than 23 hours without having sleep. And then I went to Chicago, beautiful trip. And of course, I went to Pakistan after 1 year. I spent a quality time with my family, and guess what? It's time to go back. And yes, I'm back here in Chicago, January 14, 2023. And again, third semester was really crucial. I started again working at aircraft lab, working really hard, try to get enough knowledge about aerospace engineering because I had purely electrical engineering background, so it was really hard for me to manage all aerospace stuff. And I was working at the same time as a TA on 3 different departments, and couldn't get enough time to sleep. And guess what? Best mathematics TA in the department. And here we go. I got my first ever professional job. I used to work 40 hours per week, and at the same time, I used to go to school because I was full-time student. So it was really hard for me to manage like both studies and job together. And here we go, my last day of school, December 15, 2023. And Alhamdulillah, I graduated Masters of Aerospace and Mechanical Engineering. And this is it. That's my story of first 2 years in America.